Hello, hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. I am here to do a fun craft with y'all tonight. This is going to be really, really cute, y'all. So we're starting with a silver tray that I purchased at Goodwill for $2.99. I love old silver and I like it all yucky and dirty. I don't clean it or anything. This even has some rust on it, but I like it just like that. If y'all can see that. So we're going to use it just like it is. Happy Friday night, everybody! So we're starting with the silver platter, or silver tray, like I just showed y'all. And then I got these stickers at Dollar Tree. And they say, wash your hands and say your prayers because Jesus and germs are everywhere. I thought that was so cute when I saw it. And I was like, we've got to do a craft with that. And then I've got some lamb's ear. I'm not sure if I'll be using any of it or not. But this came from Hobby Lobby. And then I've got some burlap leaves and roses and stuff. So, we're going to get started. So I'm just going to start by taking, this thing was in 3 different sections. So I'm just going to take my first one, which is the wash your hands and say your prayers part. And I'm going to stick it on here about where I want it. I think I want it up there. I can move it if I decide I want it in a different spot. And then I'm gonna, and it looks like, see? And then I'm gonna take the second one and stick it on here. And this one is the because Jesus part. This one to go down a little. Okay. So just put your stickers on whatever you're doing. And Dollar Tree has lots of these stickers, you know, that say different things. And so this is what we have so far. And they don't seem to bubble up or anything, so that's really nice. And then this is the and germs are everywhere part. And I'm going to stick it on there. Okay, so there we have it. So this is what we have so far. Y'all, I mean, how easy was that? That took a whole 30 seconds to do. And then I'm just going to take some of my little burlap flowers. Like all the florals that I'm using today came from Hobby Lobby. All the burlap stuff was in the his and hers section, 50% off this week. And then these were in the floral section. They weren't on sale this week, but I would not normally buy them if they weren't on sale. I just bought them because I was thinking about this project and that I might need them for it. But normally I wouldn't pay full price for them. They're only $1.99, but I mean, I'd rather get them for $1. So I'm gonna place some of these flowers on here and some of these leaves and see what I come up with. And this will be a really, really cute sign. You could hang it like in your guest bathroom, well, any bathroom really. But if you have a guest bathroom or like a, I don't know, your kid's bathroom, they need a reminder. Let me get my little wire snips. If I can find them in all this mess, y'all. And y'all, if my video's giving you problems, it'll be fine on the replay. I don't know why it does that. So I'm just cutting some of these leaves off. the long stem because I don't need them on there like that. Okay, so I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm just going to put some glue on the back of some of these and just start gluing them on. I don't need that stem at all. See, look how pretty that is, little rosette. And you just pick where you want it to go and just stick it on there. It does not have to be perfect. I think I will use some of these. As long as it looks perfect to you, that's all that matters. Just have fun with it. Okay. So I'm just putting a little glue on the stem. And I'm going to stick it under this flower that I already put on here. And y'all, if you stick something on something hot, and you don't like it, it's just hot glued on there. Pull it off and stick it somewhere else. Okay. Oh, that's cute. And then let's see. I think I'll put another one of these. I'll show y'all what I've got so far in here in just a second. Let's see. Just lay it on there and decide how you want it. I'll put a couple more little. Y'all, this was the easiest thing to do. Okay, let me pull the glue strings. You know what? I think those two leaves are too big right there. So I'm gonna see. I just pulled them right off. I thought they looked too big, so. That's all you do. Just pull it off. Don't get upset if something that doesn't look exactly like you envisioned it. Pull it off and go a different route. That's what I do anyway. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be cute. All right, let's try this again. Well, I need a glue stick. Okay. I think that did it. Except for glue strings. Oh yeah, that's really cute. Look at that, y'all. Is that not adorable? to hang in your bathroom. Y'all got to give me hearts for this. Because this is really, really cute. It's definitely going to get hung in my bathroom. I might change one little thing. Oh, thank you for all the hearts. Let me see if that... Yeah, I think I'm going to add one more flower up here. Let me see real quick. No, I think I'm going to do just what I was thinking. I'm adding one more flower, y'all. And then it'll be done. I'm going to cut the leaf real quick on it. If I could find some scissors that work, that aren't dull. There we go. All right. There we go. I just love it. I think it turned out so cute. From a $2.99 silver tray. And $1 stickers from Dollar Tree, and then some flowers from Hobby Lobby. And you get this. But anyway, one more look at that, and then I'm going to get off. That's all I had to show y'all tonight. But I think it turned out really, really cute. And I know the words are backwards, and I'm sorry. But when I show y'all the picture, when I take a picture of it, I always take a picture and post it. Y'all will see. And the words won't be backwards. So anyway, y'all have a great night and a great weekend. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Love you guys.